Okay, we're going to go over the Guardian knee brace instructional fitting video. First thing we want to do is once we open the box, we want to make sure we got everything from Guardian. You're going to find 4 things in the box. You're going to have 2 of these resistance bands. They're going to be 3.5 pound. You can see the number right there. So there's 2 3.5 pound resistance bands. You have your pump with the deflation, the black tip deflation side on one end and the clear tipped inflation on the other end. And then you're going to have your Guardian knee brace. The next thing we're going to do is called Brace CPR. So this is your brace. This is going to be the front of the brace. You can tell by you have the one strap in the front of it, and you have the plastic parts of the brace are the rounded side. And in order to do this Brace CPR, what we're going to do is we're going to put the brace face down on a sturdy surface. Could be a table, could be on the ground, it could be, I have on a massage table here. And we're going to take either side of this brace and put our palms there. And we're going to push down 10 to 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll turn it around. Do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the reason why we're doing this is because just like brand new shoes, we want to break the shoes in, so to speak. So we're going to want to break the brace in a little bit to make it more comfortable when you put it on your leg.